Hello guys, it's me, Dark Duck from Dark Duck Gaming. I'm going to show you how to put some alerts on your stream, even if you're streaming from a console. So just follow me. Really simple. Let's go. Right, this is where you want to be. You want to be on your creator dashboard. And on your creator dashboard, click on the extensions part. Now, you can try and manually find it, but to make things a little bit quicker, I would suggest just going into the search all extensions bit up here and just putting alerts. Click here where it says free alerts, followers, subs, that thing. So click on that, click install. Then go to configure. Once you're on here, all you have to do is choose one of the free themes. And once you've done that, just click on the one you want, install theme pack, and bang, that is done. You now have to go onto your free stream alerts. And the only way that it will work is if you click activate. So once you click activate, you can set it as your overlay number 1. Set it as overlay 1. Now that's done. When somebody subscribes to you or when somebody follows you, you should get one of those alerts pop up on your stream. There you go. You're done. Simple as that. I hope that helped. For more tips and tricks like this, you know where I am. I'm in the Discord. I'm in the Gamers Paradise Discord. I'm in the Ranch Discord. You can find me on my own Discord, the Duck Pond. There's a link down on in the description with the God, you know, I do this for a living. I'm a literal entertainer and I can't get my words out. Maybe I should script this. Oh wait, I've done a video on that. So if you want to watch what you should do for starting a new stream or starting a channel and getting more confident on camera, I'll put a link down there to that video as well. So thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. Tatty bye.